Hello everyone, welcome back to Ravi Tech Views channel. This is your first time here, subscribe channel for getting latest information fastly. This is outside of Whirlpool refrigerator, comes with nice design and shiny, 5-star rating, 215 gross volume, 195 storage volume. 10 years warranty on compressor. This is inside of refrigerator, places for medical storage, water bottles. This is cooling control, labeled instructions for using in different seasons. And this is deep fridge. This Whirlpool refrigerator comes with 5-star rating, approximately 207 units consumed per year. Gross volume is 215 liters. Storage volume is 195 liters. The Whirlpool promises 7 days garden fresh. Up to 12 hours cooling retention. 10 years warranty on compressor.